Hello. This first part of the tutorial is going to explain you how to enter in Typo 3 in the back office and how to edit a regular content element. As you see here, I have opened in one browser tab the EFTA website. So I'm going to navigate to the Slovenian part of the EFTA website. And as you see here, I have opened two tabs. So in the second tab, I have opened the Typo 3 back office, which is filed under the same link, but I simply edit Typo 3 index. You don't have to enter. So it's just simply the domain name and Typo 3 attached. And as you open this website, you're asked your username and password. So I'm going to enter DEF-EN and the password. I hope I typed that right. Okay, I did. So here we see the Typo 3 back office. So where I'm going to click is I click on Page here to the left, and then in the center column I see all the sites that are already in the Slovenian part of the EFTA website. So I simply click on About Us, and to the right the CMS shows me the content element that is already there on the Slovenian website under About Us. So let's see how it is. Slovenian website, About Us I have here. So as I click, I see one large content element. Okay, what if I would want to edit this element? I simply click on the text in the content management in the back office. So if I would click here, then I can open the element to edit it, or I simply click here on the little pencil. So I click the pencil for now, and the CMS will show me the content element. As simply as that. So here is a very large content. What I'm going to show right now is how simple it is to just enter, for instance, a headline. So I enter here, this is a headline, to the headline field, and as well in the text field below here, I'm going to edit this text field, and I put here, this is a new text, right? So that's it. And now we have to store this element to the web server. So we have above, we have the 4 different ways of storing content to the server. So I will just simply click here on Save and Close, which is the disk with the little cross. So I click that, the element closes, and I stored my changes to the website. Simple as that. So now to show my changes, I switch over to the other tab where I have my EFTA website open, and I simply click again on About Us so that the changes are shown. And as you see, I added a headline and the new text. Okay, simple as that. So what we see here is that the text, that the font size is, I think, different to what the CMS offers. So I think this was copied over from a Word document. What you should have in mind that when you copy over contents from Word or something, then all the formats that are predefined in Word will be copied over as well. So sometimes this forces some confusion in the front end on the website. So it's always good after you copy and pasted your contents into the CMS that you clean your text from any format that could be there while coming from Word. So let's see how we do it. I scroll down to see the content. Here it is. And now I simply click one button. Let me show you. There's a button over here that is remove format. So I will click that. Then I can remove all Microsoft formats. So this should be done here. I click it again. Let's see. Okay. Done do. So now I'm going to save this and close it. I go again to the website. And then you see the text looks different. Okay. So we have a different text here. So let's see what was done here. There's a little bullet list here that looks a bit strange. So we should work a bit on this bullet list. So let's go here again to the back office. I click on the little pencil icon. Scroll down to the text. And the text is shown here. So scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. And here I find this bullet list. So that looks a bit strange. So what I would like to do is I remove the old version of the bullet list here because this looks a bit strange, and I will bring my cursor here to the front, to the first word of this paragraph, and above I can define a bullet list. So I click here and we have a nice little bullet list icon set to the front. Okay. So what I'm going to do right now, I erase this old format here. Enter will bring me. It's a bit trying out how to introduce formats here. So as I click enter, then the next bullet point will be added. So going back here, stimulate is the next bullet point, then I erase this one. Going back, represent, I put my cursor to represent, I press enter, and I have the next bullet point. So the list looks more than what we would want to see if we had a bullet list. I press save and close, go back to the website, press about us again, and let's see how the bullet list now looks like. You see the bullet list looks more like we would want it. This is when we copy over contents from other programs that own other formats, then sometimes it won't look like we would want it. So that's it. That's the part of editing text contents. Thank you.